feel like Michael Jackson. Moonwalk through the Calabasas. Louis bag and I hold the bracket. Chase a nigga with some matches. $1 million bullets, that's a fraction. Spending money for my satisfaction. Niggas in, I'm fat when I drop, they don't post that shit. Yeah, all good though, I'ma know that shit. When I blow, you a OB bitch. I'm a last nigga, but I know I'm rich. Fuck that shit, I know I'm lit. If we beef, I fuck your bitch.
So tired, I'm so exhausted, I can't even speak. Like, I don't know, I just got to the hotel, so let me go to my room. I'm so tired, I can't. Everything hurts on my body, everything hurts, but we made it safe, thank God. So yeah, oh gosh, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, if not today. Good morning, guys. Guess where I am? Habibi, come to Dubai. Yes, girl, we in Dubai. I arrived yesterday at around 12ish to the hotel. Honestly, I was so tired. I was beat. Traveling during a pandemic is hard. It is hard, I can tell you that for free. But yeah, we in Dubai, girl, and today is day one. I had to sleep in. I didn't even have breakfast, so right now it's like at 2. I've been preparing myself to go to the mall, and yeah, I just want to go see what's up, you know. I want to go eat and then do a little shopping therapy, a little retail therapy, and then yeah, I'm taking you guys with me. I'm going to do a room tour once I come back, when like the bed is made and stuff like that. My ride is outside, so I'm heading down there. So you guys, oh my god, I'm in a video call with someone and they're just like banging plates. I can't deal. The ghetto. But Habibi, we out here. I'm on the 27th floor. The views are giving. I'll show you guys once I come back, but now let's go to the Emirates Mall. There are so many elevators here. It's like 6 elevators, so you have to like check which one is coming, girl. So I've come to check my Uber when I came outside, and the guy canceled. So there's that, and I'm so pissed, but it's fine. I've ordered for another Uber, and I just don't understand. You can't cancel without telling someone you've canceled, you know? It's weird. But yeah, I'm waiting for another Uber, and then I go to the mall, and then yeah, we see what's there.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love.
I'm in Mango and I'm seeing this gorgeous pink blazer, and I just can't. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm going to try it. Let's see what else I can find from Mango. I already love. Oh, this is cute. I like the feet. I don't know if it comes together or it's different, because it has pants and it has this as well. It's so cute. I'm so obsessed, and they have pink and black. Okay, what else? What else is there to see? This stuff is cute, but it's not my style, so yeah. What else is there? This is such a cute dress, I like. Such a cute dress. Not for me though. I can see it on someone else, but not me. And I just spotted this black blazer. Cute! Oh my gosh, everything is so cute. Let me try. I'm seeing some snake print tops here, and I could definitely like kill this. This will be a look. Looks so nice. Oh my gosh, and they have some pink sandals. It's so cute. I love. Oh my gosh. They have my size. Everything is so cute in here. Guys, let me just try and see what I can get, because vlogging and looking at stuff, it's a task. It's a bit of a task. Oh, let me just see what I can get. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Guys, this is how this blazer looks. It is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. And it's pink. I'm so obsessed. I'm obsessed. It's like, yes, it's giving. I'm now at Forever 21 and I'm trying to see how the tops are gonna look like. The store has a lot of clothes. A lot. But is it my style though? That's the problem. So I'm trying to look at options, okay? Look at what would look good on me. And yeah, I'm just from looking at this side, so I don't know. Then there's this side. There's jeans here. But I think I'm gonna try this that I got. So I'm gonna try those and see how they look. And the prices are pretty good, so yeah, that's a plus. Let me go try this. So I got the other clothes from Mango in this bag, so let's see how this look like. And they have so much nice stuff for like working out and stuff. Cute.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love.